Before saying anything about drinking water during a meal, let's find out how the digestive system works. Digestion begins when you start chewing food, as it alerts the salivary glands to start producing saliva. Saliva contains the necessary enzymes for breaking down food. Then the food gets into the stomach, where it gets mixed with the stomach acid, and it takes about 4 hours before breaking the food down even more, producing a thick liquid known as chyme. Then chyme moves through your intestine and gets mixed with digestive enzymes from your pancreas and bile acid from liver, which breaks the chyme down, preparing each nutrient for absorption into your bloodstream. Now about water. Water doesn't stay in the stomach for a long time. It takes 10 minutes to move 10 ounces of water. So if you drink while eating, the water will go through the chewed food very quickly, moisturizing it and go on its way. And this aids in digestion and nutrient absorption. Also, research has shown that water during meals can help carb weight gain by preventing overeating. In one study, adults who drank water right before eating lost more weight than those who didn't. As it turns out, water will make you feel full. Other studies have shown that drinking during a meal will make you eat slower, causing you to eat less overall, as eating at a lower speed will give you some time to check in with your hunger and fullness signals. And after all, our body is a complicated but very well-tuned system. If the stomach feels that it can digest something, it produces more enzymes and increases the acidity of the liquid inside. Subscribe for more videos, turn on post notification, like the video if you do. Thanks for watching.